A new national study finds that 1 in 4 teenaged girls has a sexually transmitted disease. By far the most common is HPV, the virus that causes cervical cancer. Health experts here in New Jersey say the teen STD rate is alarming but not surprising. NJN News health and medical correspondent Sarah Lee Kessler reports.
The national study conducted by the CDC tested girls ages 14 to 19 for 4 different sexually transmitted diseases, including human papillomavirus, the virus that causes cervical cancer. 18% were infected with HPV, 4% with chlamydia, which can cause sterility, 2.5% had trichomoniasis, 2% had herpes.
I'm not surprised by these findings. Unfortunately, our youth are sexually active and our youth are not exercising wisdom in their sexual practices.
Dr. Afriye Amerson, a Hackensack OBGYN, says of the STDs studied, the HPV rate is the most alarming.
It is the precursor STD, which is the gateway to all of the other infections. It is the most easily transmissible. It is the one that a child can get from simply heavy petting.
At Hackensack High School, there's now a girls' empowerment group that focuses on educating teens about the dangers of early sexual activity. Wendy Lamparelli, a school nurse here, started the club last fall after seeing teen pregnancy and STD rates skyrocket.
We've been talking about how the fact that condoms do not protect you completely because there is exposed skin.
She tells the class about the CDC study showing statistically that 1 in 4 will develop an STD. The incidence rate was 20% among white and Hispanic girls, but jumped to nearly 50% among black teenagers.
I heard that too, and it's actually true. I have so many friends who say like I got checked up and I have chlamydia. I have a friend who has HIV positive.
The CDC says it's a wake-up call that more education is needed, as well as more screenings and more vaccination. The CDC recommends vaccinating girls with Gardasil to protect against HPV, starting at age 9, before they become sexually active.
Everything is sex. Oral sex, anal sex, vaginal sex, it's sex, period. And you can get an STD in any of those ways.
What are you doing to keep yourself safe?
Well, basically, I don't have sex. I don't. And every time I get a new boyfriend, I make sure that they know that.
Sarah Lee Kessler, NJN News, Hackensack.